Hello one and all. Let's discuss about the functions of teacher education. I hope in my previous videos you have well understood about the concept of teacher education, objectives of teacher education, and need and importance of teacher education. Today let's discuss about the functions of teacher education. As we all know that the quality of nation depends on the quality of its citizens, and the quality of its citizens depend upon the quality of their education, and the quality of their education depends to a great extent upon the quality of their teachers. So in order to understand the function of teacher education, I would like to share with you the view given by Goode's Dictionary of Education, which stated that teacher education means all the formal and non-formal activities and experiences that help to qualify a person to assume responsibilities of a member of the educational profession or to discharge his responsibilities more effectively. That means teacher education program enables the prospective teachers in formal and non-formal activities and enable them to perform their duties and responsibilities as a member of the educational profession, that is the teaching profession, and to discharge his responsibilities more effectively in the teaching learning process. टीचर एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम प्रोस्पेक्टिव टीचर्स को एनेबल करता है, उनको इक्विप करता है अ नंबर ऑफ टीचिंग स्किल्स के साथ, और वेदर इन द फॉर्मल और द नॉन फॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज़ में, सो दैट एज अ टीचर they perform their duties and responsibilities very effectively and efficiently in the teaching learning process. Now we will discuss some of the commissions which are very important and what are their views regarding the teacher education program. Now let's discuss the Secondary Education Commission 1952-53. This commission, as you all know, that is the commission in which our former president Dr. Radhakrishnan ji was the chairman, and according to him, the teacher's place in the society is of the vital importance, and that's why the Secondary Education Commission for improving the quality and standards of education have actually expressed, we are however convinced that the most important factor in the contemplated educational reconstruction is the teacher, his personal qualities, his educational qualification and his professional training, and the place that he occupies in the school as well as in the community. So in order to refine, modify, or in order to equip the individuals with the professional training regarding the teaching profession is given by the teacher education program. The next one, the Education Commission 1964-66, and this commission is also known as the Kothari Commission, as the chairman of this commission was Dr. D.S. Kothari. So this commission pointed out that for the qualitative improvement of education, a sound program of professional education of teachers is essential. So it is essential for improving the teacher education through a sound program of professional education. And what is that sound program? That sound program is the teacher education program. With the help of this program, the education of the teachers can be improved. Then we have National Council for Teacher Education 1993, that is NCTE. As a concrete step towards the modification of and the qualitative improvement in the field of education, the NCT was set up by an Act of Parliament 1993, and actually this NCTE came into existence with effect from 17 August 1995. And besides its objectives, the NCT has said that education is a process of human enlightenment and empowerment for the achievement of better and higher quality of life, sound and effective system of education that results in the unfoldment of learners' potentialities, enlargement of their competencies, and transformation of their interests, attitudes, and values. So, NCTE from time to time improve the teacher education program also in order to bring qualitative improvement among the learners who are the prospective teachers. So the next one, the Ministry of Education document Challenge of Education, a Policy Perspective. This document, Challenge of Education, mentioned that teachers' performance is the most crucial input in the field of education. So whatever policies may be laid down in the ultimate analysis, these have to be interpreted and implemented by the teachers as much their personal example as through teaching learning process. What we have concluded from these commissions and reports and documents, that teacher education program is of very vital importance. It prepares the would-be teachers to become good teachers, because all the commissions have clearly mentioned that teacher has got a very important place and position, because the destiny of any nation depends upon the role of the teacher. So teacher education enables the prospective teachers to become good teachers, to perform their duties and their responsibilities to the best of their level in the teaching learning process in the field of education. So now we will discuss some of the points which reflect the role or the functions of teacher education. Number one, inculcate desired ideals and behavioral patterns of the society. Teacher education seeks to prepare the good teachers, which provide them with a sound foundation, and inculcate in the teacher trainees the desired ideals and behavioral patterns of the society in which we all live. It develops certain attitudes, values and interests, and the ideals of democracy, socialism, secularism, etc. Number two, prepare good teachers. Teacher education program prepare good teachers, because teacher education program always trying to modify the behavior of the teacher trainees to prepare them as a good teacher by providing them the sound foundation of the theoretical knowledge, understanding, skills, attitude and interest. With the help of all these traits, the would-be teachers will be enable themselves to become good teachers. So teacher education program helps in preparing good teachers. Number 3, enable the teacher trainees to acquire knowledge for the effective teaching. This teacher education program enables the trainees to acquire knowledge, skills and techniques for effective teaching, and to enable all the teacher trainees to aware them with a number of instructional strategies, that is the teaching methodologies, that how to use these different methods of teaching at what stage. So this teacher education program enables the teacher trainees to acquire both theoretical as well as the practical knowledge for the effective teaching learning process. The 4th one, help the teacher to minimize troubles. Teacher education program also helps the teacher to minimize their troubles and to discharge their responsibilities with efficiency and effectively, because teacher education program not only meant for teaching the teacher that how to teach, but also to aware them and to enable them to take initiative to keep it alive, to minimize his deficiencies, and to aware with more and more of skills to perform their duties, and responsibilities to the best level in the teaching learning process. And the 5th one, focus on the competencies and the commitment. Teacher education program has the most important priority on to focus on competencies and commitment, because this teacher education program enable the teacher trainees to bring out a transformation in different teaching strategies as well as in the behavioral challenges among them. And the objective of the teacher education is to focus on developing the competencies among the would-be teachers and develop among them the attitude of commitment with their profession. So these are some of the points which reflect the role or the function of the teacher education program. And here we have the UNESCO report that entitled Learning Treasure Within. This report has offered theoretical paradigm constructed upon the 4 pillars of learning, such as learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live. And these four pillars of learning are also reflecting our own Vedic culture, which tells us that one should know oneself as well as get noble thoughts from all the sources. So the UNESCO report thus reinforces the Indian Vedic concept of self-knowing, self-learning, self-doing, and learning to live together. With these beautiful words, I would like to conclude the topic, and I would like to share with you that in conclusion, we can say that the general aim of this teacher education program is to prepare right kind of teachers with adequate consciousness and concern for the society and the individuals under his responsibility. With these words, I would like to thank to all my viewers, listeners, especially to my prospective teachers, because every single word is very important for them to understand the role of teacher education, and in future time this will enable them to become the good teacher for the nation. Thank you so much.